Hey guys, Mike here with Finder. You may have noticed that our setup is a bit different than usual. That's because I'm excited to share with you the features of the beta release of mmhmm, a virtual video app to add some extra zing to your video meetings. Now this is the pre-release of mmhmm, so expect that not everything will be perfect. Once you download and open the mmhmm app, open up Zoom or Google Meet. We're using Zoom today. If you don't have version 5.1.2 or later, make sure to first update your Zoom software so it's compatible with mmhmm. Restart Zoom and then select mmhmm camera from the video options. You can do this by clicking the arrow near the video camera to bring up the menu selection. Now it can get boring to have the same old background, and you might even get tired of seeing yourself on screen the same way every day. mmhmm allows you to change things up a bit. If you have a solid color background, or physical green screen, click the camera button and select I have a green screen. Or if you have a mixed background, leave it unchecked to keep a virtual background that puts you in silhouette. Click the presenter button to bring up options of a round circle, square, or the silhouette. You can adjust the opacity of your image from full all the way down to 0. And hitting the / key will toggle you off and on. You can even add color overlays to your image, as well as adjust the size with the slider. So you can be a giant or a tiny ant. You also have the ability to click and drag yourself around the screen. For a more interesting background, click the Rooms button to bring up a selection of cityscapes, solid color backgrounds, and even moving images. For presentations, you can add a screen behind you as well. This can be off, in the default position with the small screen, or in full presentation mode. You can also adjust the position and size of the screen for different backgrounds if you select the Manage option within the Rooms menu. And if you need to step away for a moment, you can just click the Away button in the top menu. This hides your video with this screen until you're ready to come back on camera. Below the screen preview in the mmhmm app, there is a tray for any slides you wish to share. Add your media and then simply click on the slide and it will change what's showing on the screen. There are also some helpful keystrokes to make manipulating your presentation faster and easier as well. And that's pretty much it for mmhmm. It's a unique and fun tool to add some dynamism and personality to your next video call. You can sign up for an invitation to try out the beta version of mmhmm on their website. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Finder YouTube channel for more product reviews, video guides, and more.